Hi, and welcome back to my channel. And today we are going to be doing the opening of the BoxyCharm base box. And hi, if you're new here, my name is Jennifer. Excuse me.
Your throat okay?
Yeah, I am Jennifer, and this is my husband Aaron. He joins me on the weekends. And I do unboxings on my channel. I do makeup material. And I talk about my agoraphobia as per my channel name. And if you're into any of those subjects, or if you're into all those subjects, then
We're
please,
like 3/4 of those subjects.
then please hit the subscribe button down below, and hit that notification bell and set all, so that you're notified every time that I upload a video, which I haven't been uploading as much as I usually do. I've been taking some breaks for myself lately. So
But go ahead and click the bell anyway, because it's about to ramp back up. No pressure.
And if you're interested in seeing what's in my base box, BoxyCharm, then hang tight because we are getting right into it. Okay, again, this is the BoxyCharm base box. I get it monthly, and I don't know. Did the price change on this one? I think this is still $25. I think the price changes next month. Let me know if y'all are still going to get your BoxyCharm or not.
So how much charm exactly comes in the box?
It is red. So that knows you're getting your BoxyCharm. I'm just going to ignore him.
Rude.
And this month's theme is Gift of Glam.
Ooh. Fancy.
And I will let you read.
Oh, now you're going to pay attention. Yeah, I see.
Okay. The first thing, okay, they actually did bubble wrap this time. Last time it was, oh my gosh. I just saw what's in here. I was like, how many times am I going to get this? Okay, first of all, I got two makeup blenders from Untitled Beauty. Arcelli, whatever.
Arcelli. Bella sponge glue.
So what do they possibly have to say about this?
Blend it out. Set the stage for a seamless, smooth blend with a super soft Arcelli Bella Sponge Duo. Use it again and again to effortlessly apply your foundation, concealer, and cream products. Need to bake? The Bella Sponge's pointed tip provides precise application of powder.
I don't
Your
bake.
complexion called, and the Arcelli Bella Sponge is the answer. MSRP $24, Boxy exclusive.
So
Oh yeah.
I don't use sponges. I either use my fingers or a brush to apply my makeup. So I'm not gonna open that. Do you use sponges at all?
Not usually.
Okay. So guess what I see?
Guess you back again.
Beauty Bakery. Breakfast in bed. I have received this like 3 times in
Obviously, you were meant to have it
already.
repeatedly.
And I bought it once in the BoxyCharm store. So this is going into a future giveaway. It's a very nice
palette. A lot
palette.
of them, I guess.
It's a very nice palette. I like it.
Beauty Bakery's Breakfast in Bed eyeshadow palette is a delightful morning medley of saturated mattes and shimmery shadows. This palette is perfect for a classic office look to happy hour transitional touch-ups.
So
Yeah, there's that.
I thought BoxyCharm kept up with what you got and didn't get. But I got this
BoxyCharm.
at least 2 times.
Why are you breaking our hearts, BoxyCharm?
box.
It's like you don't even know this BoxyCharm. thought this meant something. They weren't just another subscriber, but now I just don't know, BoxyCharm. I just don't know.
I don't know what to say. I'm glad they put this in there for once.
Too little, too late.
Okay.
They obviously don't care.
Next thing is from Alginist, Triple Algae Eye
Triple Algae.
Renewal Balm.
Triple algae.
I've got so much eye stuff.
A targeted eye treatment with enhanced algae technology, clinically shown to help reduce dark under eye circles, bags, puffiness, lines, wrinkles, and crow's feet in just 10 days. It's formulated with Alginist's patented and exclusive algironic acid, a blend of red, brown, and green algae. That's the triple algae there. That synergistically work by energizing and increasing skin luminosity. Yeah. Doesn't that sound impressive? Red, brown, and green. I've heard that red is the best, really, but, you know, had to put 2 others in there, otherwise they couldn't call it triple.
I don't know, is this at the top? I think this was the choice item.
$68 MSRP.
Oh, yeah.
New brand to Boxy.
Do you have your phone on you?
No. It's charging in the charger.
Okay. Well, okay, I guess I will keep this.
Wow, and there's something that you've never seen before. It's here, it's at the bottom here. Something called hyaluronic acid. Oh,
That's
yeah.
in everything.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, here's something. Luna Liner Water Resistant Liquid Eyeliner.
Well then. That is not on the... Oh, no, it is. Luna Liner, water-resistant liquid eyeliner, a vegan, fade-proof, water-resistant liquid eyeliner that features an intensely black ink for the ultimate eye definition. The microbrush tip glides on smoothly, dispensing just the right amount of liquid as you apply, so you're able to create precise definition wherever you want. MSRP $18.
Okay, I've got a lot of liquid eyeliners.
But it's a black one. I bet you don't have any black ones.
I'm wearing a black eyeliner today. I like pencil and crayon eyeliners.
What about watercolors? No? That's not a thing?
Liquid eyeliners I just get everywhere. I don't do wings. I don't do real special things. The one...
You did a couple times.
That was when I had that stamp.
Oh, the
thing.
stamp. The stampy stamp.
And that broke on me.
Oh.
So, last thing I have is Studio Makeup Hyaluronic Acid Rejuvenating Serum.
The perfect serum for all ages. This highly concentrated hyaluronic acid rejuvenating serum. Well, that just rolls off the tongue, doesn't it? Hyaluronic acid rejuvenating serum works to quickly reverse the effects of dehydration and loss of elasticity, while keeping the skin highly moisturized throughout the day, leaving the skin looking radiant and youthful. MSRP $45. At Studio Makeup Official.
Maybe this was my choice item.
Huh.
How much is this?
$45. MSRP. That looks very impressive with the clear thing and the dropper, the serum and everything.
A lot comes out on the dropper.
Power. Mystic formula.
I have a box of skincare items because I'm getting so many with these boxes. And
let me say that your skin has never looked better.
well, these are like, I can't go through my skincare fast enough, so I have a box.
Well, if you have enough of them collected around you, the aura just propagates off of them and it improves your skin just by them being near you, actually. You don't have to use them all. You just collect them enough.
So this will go in the box. And, okay.
And also at the bottom, we have bubble wrap. Bubble wrap. Perfect for your makeup and skincare wrapping needs. The tiny pockets are filled with hyaluronic acid.
Okay, so We have the Studio Makeup Hyaluronic Acid Rejuvenating Serum. We have the Luna Liner Water Resistant Liquid Eyeliner. We have the Alginist Triple Algae Eye Renewal Balm.
Triple algae.
We have the Era Sally Aerocholi
Double sponge.
sponges. And
Single eyeshadow palette.
single eyeshadow palette.
Well, it's triple and double and now single. Although it has multiple colors. How many colors does it have?
It's like a 9.
9 colors.
And the Beauty Bakery Breakfast in Bed eyeshadow palette, which I've seen many a time.
We both had one, didn't we?
Yeah, we both have one.
I've got one. You had one. And more than one. Several.
And I've at least given 2 of them away in giveaways.
They just keep coming. You can't give them fast enough. There's a big warehouse of them somewhere with your name on them. They're coming. Can't stop it.
You snorted.
Oh my, I did snort.
Okay.
That's why I'm so fancy.
I am going to be doing a giveaway in a collab that I am in coming up shortly after Christmas time. I am doing a New Year's Eve affordable glam collab with a bunch of lovely ladies, and there will be a giveaway in
They are
that.
lovely. So I'm told. I haven't met them all personally.
And so I don't know if this will be in there or not, but look out for that collab coming soon.
We'll include any additional breakfast palettes that we get in between now and then. There might be several of them in there.
Who knows?
Sometimes we just turn around and there's just one on the coffee table. I don't know where they come from.
Okay, give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. It really helps out my channel and it only takes a second. Leave a comment down below if you got your BoxyCharm already. On my boxes.
Did it have a breakfast in bed palette in it? How
Yeah,
many?
did you get that palette? I didn't even know that they were still giving out those palettes. Are we Boxy twins? What did you get in your BoxyCharm? My premium is running late. My Ipsy bags are running late. Everything, all my boxes are running late, so I don't
The
know.
world is fading into darkness.
I don't know if I'm going to be able to do all my unboxings before Christmas, or if at all this month, really, to
Dark,
tell you the
bleak
truth.
winter is coming.
So, that is that or not. So, anyway, leave me a comment. Are yours running late? And I guess it's just that time of the season where everything is just
Grinding to a halt.
the post office is just overwhelmed with stuff. So,
Fighting their way through snow drifts. Even here, even in Texas. Yeah. Just not, where we live, but where the post office is.
okay, I hope you are having a wonderful, fantastic day out there today. And if you are not, I hope something comes along and sparks your day so that you can have a wonderful, fantastic day and enjoy the rest of your weekend or week whenever you are
Or month.
watching this. Whatever. And if you're having an especially hard time, know that we are thinking about you and sending you out those good vibes. So just
Sorry,
remember,
a little more. You did more. Okay.
just remember to stay strong and stay healthy and stay safe out there. And I will see you in my next video, which we should be doing one tomorrow.
How come my
So,
earrings swing around when I do this?
okay, just stay well until then. Goodbye.
Poor baby, should throat bothering you.
I didn't think it was.